Hello YouTube. Today is valve train day. I have some Brian Crower 88-pound valve springs that I'm going to be installing in the F20B head today. I've already started taking some of them out. The combustion chamber is a little bit dirty, so I'm going to clean that up, and I'm going to lightly lap all the valves back in. I don't want to go too crazy because then I'm going to need to shim my valve springs. But if you haven't done this before, all you have to do in order to get the locks off of the valves is you take a socket, and I use any kind of socket. It really doesn't matter what size it is, as long as it goes over top and clears your retainers, or sorry, your locks. And you take it and you put it right over top of your retainer and locks. And I use a dead blow hammer and I give it a good pound, and the retainers end up falling out. And then that way you can take your valves out and put them all back in. Now it's important to keep them in order. So I have on the box written here my VTech solenoids on this side. So I put VTech intake manifold or intake, and then I have exhaust down there, and it's a 16 valve, so I have 8 holes punched in there for all of the valves. So that's essentially what I'm going to be doing today. And I have good news. The motor is in the car, and I just swapped over the coilovers. So there's a good chance that in the next couple weeks, this baby could start up. It all depends on if I have clearance for the turbo and all the exhaust piping. So wish me luck. I'm going to get on it. Later, guys.